Hey guys, Dustin DeTorres here with Badass Insurance Leads, and in today's video, we're going to go through some trends that we're seeing online in the insurance space. So the next time that you talk to one of your lead vendors and you're kind of curious, like where do I buy my leads? I have 10 different states that I'm licensed in. This will give you some insight as to where to focus your efforts on based off of real data that we get from people Googling life insurance and related terms. So the two terms that we'll use today, the first one is Google Trends. It's trends.google.com. It's free for anybody to use. You can go in there and play around with it. The next tool is called explodingtopics.com, and it's a paid-for tool. I think they give you a little bit of information for free, but they try to upgrade you to a pro account. I think it's around $100 a month. Totally worth it if you're a marketer, but if you're not, just stay tuned for videos like this because we'll try to do at least one of these videos every month or so. So, hopping into Google Trends first, if you type in, we're typing in life insurance at the top. That's our main search term. It'll show you the interest over time. So, how many people online over, let's say, 30 days are Googling this term? And it's a pretty flat line overview. But let's look at the past 5 years. So, over the past 5 years, it's risen quite a bit. And it's continuously trending upwards. So as people are getting older, all the baby boomers, I think that this is just going to continue to go up and to the right. But that kind of shows you, even if you're seeing a small downturn on tools like this in a small time frame, when you expand out, you're going to see a better view. All right, so the interest is here, and then when you scroll down, I think this is one of the most important pieces of Google Trends, especially for life insurance agents. Interest by sub-region. So if I was going to choose where do I buy my leads, if I was licensed in Mississippi or Alabama or Louisiana, I would definitely want to look here because more people are searching for life insurance related terms in those states compared to the other states across the country. And you can even go to metro area. So if you want to get granular with your lead buying, you could say, show me the metro areas. So North Platte, Nebraska, for some reason, and here in Missouri and Lake Charles, Louisiana, these are some hot cities over the past 30 days for people Googling life insurance. And you can even go up here and do, life insurance near me, or maybe even final expense, or whatever type of insurance that you're selling. Play around with it. You can compare different terms too, but this kind of gives you an overview of the tool, which is free. And in the very bottom, there's two sections. There's the rising topics, so kind of like overarching topics. If you're a content creator, these are maybe things that you want to look into to kind of dive deeper into and to create, if they are hub pages on your website about these types of insurance topics. And then there's also related queries, so 30-year term life insurance. Maybe you could write a blog post or do a TikTok on, what is 30-year term life insurance? These are things that real people in the marketplace across the country are searching for on a daily basis. So let's hop over to Exploding Topics. So it's explodingtopics.com. It's a paid for tool, but if you're following us, or if you subscribe, we'll definitely be doing these once a month or so. And again, I think it pulls some information over from Google Trends, but it also overlays it with other data. So there's a 5-year trend up and to the right for life insurance, just like we saw with Google Trends. And there's some related trending topics here that we didn't see on Google Trends. This is, Bestow, Ethos Life, Haven Life Insurance. People also search for, so people that do life insurance queries on Google, they also search for these terms. These are things that you want to be blogging about and talking about, explaining about, answering questions on your blog or on TikTok or whatever platform that you reach out to people on. If you're doing SEO for your website, these are definitely some good topics to talk about. Scrolling down, you can see some kind of expanded version of what we just saw. This is the monthly search volume for Bestow. 4,400 here, so not as many people. So if you're going to do any of these topics, maybe Bestow is going to be your best platform here. And I just did a quick Google search, scroll down past the AI. They're spending money on ads, but then you can kind of see like what comes up first. Here, let me zoom in. People also ask, is Bestow an insurance carrier? Who is Bestow backed by? who underwrites, how long has Bestow been around. All great topics for you to talk about. You could probably do a whole month's worth of content about Bestow here. So I hope you enjoyed the information about trends in the life insurance industry online specifically. If you have any questions or want to see what we do at badassinsuranceLeads.com, feel free to visit our website, and we have a live chat 24/7. If you have any specific questions you want to ask me, my email is marketing@badassinsuranceLeads.com. All right, have a great day. Thanks.